Hello everybody, today I'm going to upgrade my fountain right here to a new level, and let's see, I'm at level 3 now. I'm incapable of making these if I upgrade them, so let's just do that. And once again you need a lot of bricks, 3 of these and 20 of them, so I've been working my butt off to get all of the materials. Let's do it. And that's it. Now let's see what we need. Okay, we need new kind of materials. Actually, I had a lot of these right here, pipes. I reconstructed all of them because I were incapable of getting these bricks right here. So let's. Oh, steel's iron. So I can construct some of these now. I'm gonna do that. Just need some wood, and I have enough wood. I've been working one day to get wood, so let's just take some of these. And as you can see, I've made it more easy for me to actually find things inside of these bags now. There's clothes in this area and so on. So it's more easy to find things. Let's just go in here and make these. Should I make them of nails, or I think I'm gonna make them out of these. So like that, and I can have 2 more slots right here. That would be a stupid idea making those nails, so. Like that. Okay. Placing back my wood right here. And then I will go to I want to make this one. And then I want to go to the abandoned mine once again to get some of the titanium steel. But first I will make some first aid kits. To do that you need these plus water, and I have a lot of them right here. Let's just make it. Like that. And exactly enough, so perfect. And then I will just go to the abandoned mine to get my titanium steel. So that's what you're gonna see in the next video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.